Yeah, I don't like for now. If you go more residential, or you go less residential. Commercial, less commercial.
And you can go over there, by the way. You okay with it? Yeah. Look it up. I'm so sorry.
Skeleton.
Surgeons' offices to run through surgeries beforehand to make sure that nothing goes wrong. You can separate certain body parts.
Oh, nice. So you can see everything.
Yep.
This is kidney, right? No.
Yeah, that is. That's the kidney and that's the heart.
Oh.
Kidney or liver?
No, it's liver.
Liver, yeah.
Yeah. There is no kidney.
For the kidney, we can look over here.
Oh, yeah,
It's
this.
yeah, that's a
Oh,
gallbladder.
no, okay.
You can actually remove certain parts. That remove the liver.
Uh-huh.
That was the spleen, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas.
Can you just rotate it, or it's something that will move?
Yeah, you can rotate it.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. This one is lungs.